Hi again and welcome back. One of the things we've got on the Neo is the ability to record sound. Now I'm assuming that when DJI do all the promotional stuff, they do the best microphones in the best weather conditions with no wind and one thing or another. But today I'm come down to my local beach. It's blowing about 10-15 miles an hour, so there's plenty of wind. I'm going to use my iPhone. I'm also going to try using the DJI Mic 1, my AirPods, and also a cheap generic mic off Amazon, which is about $15 to $20 or £15 to £20. So what my plan is, just to send the drone out on a simple zoom out and use the various methods to record me saying the lyrics from Battle of Hell by Meatloaf, which is one of my favourite songs, and just compare the audio quality of each device. Okay, so I've got the drone set up for a 10-meter droney. Let's see how we get on.
3, 2, 1.
Whoops. Right. So the sound, and it's not going anywhere with the wind. It's been a bit of a change of plan. I tried to fly the drone on the beach, but the wind was just too strong. It was going all over the place. So I've come to a different location now and I'm going to try you instead. I'm going to try the Neo with the 4 different methods. I'm just going to try the app, the AirPods, the cheap mic and the DJI mic.
3, 2, 1.
Sirens are screaming and the fires are howling way down in the valley tonight. There's a man in the shadows with a gun in his eye and a blade shining oh so bright. There's evil in the air and there's thunder in the sky and the killers on the bloodshot streets. And down in the tunnel with the deadly arising, I swear I saw a young boy started to foam in the heat. Okay, well that completes the test. I'm not in any way an expert in sound, but I think we can safely agree that none of them were that good. Is it worth spending a fortune on an expensive mic? I don't think so. Probably better off getting a cheap one from Amazon. Same results you're going to get and save a few quid. Okay, if you found it useful, drop us the like and the subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Thanks very much.